नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, आप सब कैसे हैं? मैं हूं सौरभ, योर हिंदी ट्यूटर. आई एम बैक विद द नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल. In the previous lesson, we started learning the verb hona, which is to be. We learned the first three forms, which are हूँ, हो and हैं. मैं हूँ, तुम हो, तू है, और ये है और वो है. And here I am with the answers of the questions that I gave in the end of the previous video. ठीक है? Who is he or who is she would be ये कौन है और वो कौन है. ये is used when someone is standing near and वो is used when someone is standing at a distance. The next is who is Ramu. रामू कौन है. ठीक है. Who are you, mid formal. तुम कौन हो. तुम because I said mid formal. Most of the students got it correct. I am a man. Man is आदमी. I am a man. मैं आदमी हूं. You are a woman, mid formal. तुम औरत हो. औरत. औरत means a woman. ठीक है. The next word, how to say how are you in 4 different ways. The first was informal to a male. Informal means तू. तू कैसा है. We know that with तू always comes है. तू कैसा है. कैसा because it's for a male. Informal to a female. तू कैसी है. कैसी because it's for a female. Mid formal to a male. तुम कैसे हो. Mid formal to a female. तुम कैसी हो. ठीक है. You have seen that with तू is always है and with तुम is always हो. I think that is very much clear. Today we are going to learn the sentences with हैं. ठीक है. Now, since we are going to learn plurals today, I would like to tell you how to make plural of mera and meri. We have learned in tutorial number 11 that mera bhai means my brother. All these words are masculine words, that's why we have used mera. Otherwise, we have used meri. So, mera bhai is my brother and mere bhai is my brothers. Mera dost is my friend and mere dost is my friends. Of course, male friends, that's why mera. Mera ghar is my house, mere ghar is my houses. मेरा बेटा is my son, मेरे बेटे is my sons. मेरा दरवाज़ा is my door, मेरे दरवाजे is my doors. मेरा बच्चा my kid, मेरे बच्चे my kids. Okay, when we are talking about sons and daughters in combination, we say मेरे बच्चे. ठीक है. Now here we see 5 examples of female words. मेरी बहन my sister, मेरी बहनें my sisters. The easy thing with females are मेरी does not change. मेरी दोस्त my friend, a female friend. मेरी दोस्त my female friends. मेरी किताब my book, मेरी किताबें my books. मेरी बेटी my daughter, मेरी बेटियां my daughters. मेरी बच्ची my kid, female kid. मेरी बच्चियां my kids. Okay, only female kids. ठीक है. So मेरा changes to मेरे when singular turns to plural, while मेरी remains the same. Now these things we will be using in today's tutorial. Let's start. Today we are going to learn in which cases we use हैं. Now the first case that I'm going to tell you is with we, that is hum. Whenever we want to say a sentence like we are dash, we will say hum dash हैं. ठीक है? Here in front of you, you can see a few examples with hum and हैं. So the first sentence says हम students हैं, which means we are students. The second says हम लड़के हैं. In the tutorial number 16, in which we learned plurals, we learned that singular is ladka and plural is ladke. All the masculine words that end with the a sound have a in the end of their plurals. Okay, so hum ladke hain, we are boys. Hum bacche hain, we are kids. हम फिलीपींस से हैं, we are from the Philippines. ठीक है? हम अच्छे बच्चे हैं. Now here you see अच्छे is an adjective. For singular it would have been अच्छा बच्चा. ठीक है? You see the adjective goes according to singular or plural and also the gender. So हम अच्छे बच्चे हैं means we are good kids. Now here it means either it's a group of male kids or a group of male and female kids. हम अच्छे लड़के हैं, we are good boys. ठीक है? You will see हम हैं. ठीक है? We are. Now giving the same examples with female nouns. ठीक है? हम students हैं, we are students. It remains the same because student is an English word. हम लड़कियां हैं, we are girls. हम बच्चियां हैं, we are kids, female kids. हम फिलीपींस से हैं, we are from the Philippines. हम अच्छी बच्चियां हैं. You see, the adjective has changed from अच्छे to अच्छी. हम अच्छी बच्चियां हैं, we are good kids. हम अच्छी लड़कियां हैं, we are good girls. We conclude here that हैं comes with hum, that is we. ठीक है? Moving towards the next situation where we use हैं. So the next situation when we use हैं is in case of they. I am standing here. A friend of mine is also standing here. We see a group of 3 boys near us. Okay. ये लड़के हैं. Had there been only one boy, I would have said ये लड़का है. Sorry, लड़का है. But there are 3 boys, so I have said ये लड़के हैं. Okay. है हैं. Now, there are 3 boys standing far away. 2 boys standing far away. I would say वो लड़के हैं. वो लड़के हैं. वो लड़के हैं. ये लड़के हैं. वो लड़के हैं. So we can have 4 sentences here. ये लड़का है for singular, ये लड़के हैं for plural. वो लड़का है for singular, वो लड़के हैं for plural. For singular it comes है and for plural हैं. ठीक है? Now, having a look at some more examples. ये और वो students हैं. They are students. ये वो लड़के हैं. They are boys. ये वो लड़कियां हैं. They are girls. ये और वो अच्छे लड़के हैं. They are good boys. ये और वो अच्छी लड़कियां हैं. They are good girls. ये वो इंग्लैंड से हैं. They are from England. Again, in all these sentences, we see हैं is here because we are talking about plurals. We have learnt 2 cases when we use हैं. Now we will learn 2 more cases when we use it. ठीक है? The next 2 cases where we use हैं is not because they are plural, but because they are formal. The formal cases follow the rules of plurals. Just keep this rule in your mind. The formal cases follow the rules of plurals. Let me give you some examples so that you can be able to differentiate between formal cases and informal cases. ठीक है? I would like to divide them into 2 parts. The first 3 says, he's my son, he's my friend, she's my sister. The next 3 say, she's my mother, he's my father, he's my uncle. He's my son would be, ये मेरा बेटा है. He's my friend would be, ये मेरा दोस्त है. She's my sister would be, ये मेरी बहन है. Now these are the people who are not very elder than you, but mother, father and uncle belong to the older generation. So see how differently we talk about them. Mera becomes mere. We know that mera bhai is my brother and mere bhai is my brothers. But here mere papa does not mean my father's. Of course, here we are using mere papa because formal follows the rules of plurals. That's why we have used hain. Okay, you can see hai, hain. ये मेरा बेटा है, but ये मेरे पापा हैं. ठीक है? ये मेरे अंकल हैं. मेरी does not change because we have seen that it doesn't change from singular to plural. So it won't change from informal to formal. So ये मेरी मम्मी हैं, ये मेरे पापा हैं, ये मेरे अंकल हैं. Is it clear? So I think we have completed the 3rd case when we use hain. Now we will head towards the 4th case when we use hain. We see 3 sets of words, all of them referring to you, but at different respect levels. Now first talking about informal. You are my friend. तू मेरा दोस्त है. मेरा दोस्त. You are my brother. तू मेरा भाई है. Also notice that we have used है. Now if we change that to mid-formal, that is तुम, it becomes तुम मेरे दोस्त हो. तुम मेरे भाई हो. You are my brother. Because formal follows the rule of plurals. Now increasing the level of formality or the respect, you are my teacher. आप मेरे टीचर हैं. आप मेरे बॉस हैं. ठीक है? If we talk about females, it would change a bit. You are my friend would become तू मेरी दोस्त है. You are my sister would become तू मेरी बहन है. You are my friend. Mid formal, तुम मेरी दोस्त हो. You are my sister would become तुम मेरी बहन हो. You are my teacher and you are my boss. आप मेरी टीचर हैं, आप मेरी बॉस हैं. So there are minimal changes and minimal variations in case of female words. ठीक है. Here you can see another set of sentences through which I will try to explain the difference of formal and informal. I am a good boy. मैं अच्छा लड़का हूँ. ठीक है. You are a good boy. In case of तुम अच्छे लड़के हो. ठीक है. तू informal, तू अच्छा लड़का है. The same as in the case of मैं. He is a good boy. ये अच्छा लड़का है. ठीक है. Both of these cases are singular and informal. Now coming to the two formal cases and one plural case. Okay, there was no space left, so I didn't include they are good boys. You are a good boy, addressing by आप. आप अच्छे लड़के हैं. Okay. He is a good boy. ये अच्छे लड़के हैं. We are referring to only one person, but we are trying to call him with more respect. Had it been they are good boys, the sentence would have remained unchanged. ये और वो. Okay. ये for someone who is standing near and वो for someone who is standing a bit far away. And again, had it been you are good boys. Okay. And even here, you are good boys. The sentences would have remained unchanged because their singular forms follow the rules of plurals. ठीक है. Now comes the time for homework. So here is your first set of sentences. Here you can see 7 more sentences. I am from Palestine. We are from Palestine. They are from Palestine. He or she is from Palestine. And the next 3 are you are from Palestine. Informal, mid-formal and formal. This is our landmark lesson. Till now our speed was a bit slow. After mastering all of this, our speed will increase. We will start learning a lot of vocabulary, a lot of words and writing. But first we have to master till now. ठीक है. See you again. फिर मिलेंगे. Bye bye. Tata. Adios. Namaste.